The four-fingered lipsucker is a species of marine blenny that inhabits the subtropical and tropical western Pacific Ocean near the Ryukyu Islands and Indonesia. Their exact range is uncertain because these blennies are often confused with other blenny species. They are typically found in shallow coastal waters, on rocks in the splash zone and intertidal zone. They have dark saddles on their back. They have no scales. They use their comb-like teeth to eat algae on the surface of rocks. Since bottom-dwelling blennies lack a swim bladder, they are poor swimmers. Four-fingered lipsuckers grow less than 5 inches long. They lay adhesive eggs. Males are territorial and will defend nests that are usually situated around crevices between rocks in the high intertidal zone. A male will remain to guard the eggs in a nest after a female deposits them, even when the nest is exposed to air when the tide is not high. This is possible because these blennies can breathe air when not in the water. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.